Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can edit caption on Instagram. Now for that, first of all, you need to open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Tap open the app. Now that you are at your Instagram page, you go to the profile page. For that, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Once you're at the profile page, you can tap open the post or the picture that you want to edit the caption on. So I'm just going to tap on the very first picture. There you can see the caption. Now here, to edit the caption, you need to tap on the three dotted lines over here above the picture. There on the following option, you tap on edit, and with that you can now edit the caption that you want on this picture. So here I'm just gonna remove this and I'm gonna type in something new. You can see I have edited and updated the caption. Now you need to save this caption. For that, you click on the tick mark on the top right corner, tap on it, and with that you have edited your caption for the Insta post. There you can see the updated caption. Hope this video was useful on how you can edit caption on Instagram. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.